back in another cooking video. We're baking these things, don't know what they're called. Square cakes. For Blackwater. He's gone through a lot. We need to make him happy. This is the goal, right?
Yeah.
Alright. We have done a few preparations of the oil and water. We've got butter ready. We have not got the butter ready, so that's something. You can deal with the 50 grams of butter. Melted butter, should I say. I forgot to get the measuring scale out, someone. Do you need the measuring scale? No? Alright, someone can do it. So. Alright. I should preheat the oven. Because that's what the box is telling me to do. Knives are there. Because I washed up. Alright. Okay, to take the mixing kettle. Alright, we're going to mix this into here, guys. That's the first job. Wow. Mix. Gotta love that. Knife warning.
Yeah.
Butter knife warning. I'm going to try not make a mess, guys. Teach me what to do.
I keep forgetting how tough it is.
Well, it's been in the fridge for like a month. That's been dramatic, a couple of weeks. Luckily, butter don't go out of date.
Butter does sometimes go out of date after the extended period of time.
It depends on the type of butter. And if your food comes in it, then it goes out of date. But if it hasn't been used, then it's fine. Guys, I'm getting scissors. Please, is that the butter? Use a bowl and melt it. Please don't follow what we are doing. We are not professional and rather do. Yeah, we're not baking professionals. You guys shouldn't see that from our other videos.
Yeah.
We are just having fun. Could you rinse them in the hot water and put them back in there? We need to sterilise them and put them back in there. Make sure to sterilise your scissors after using them. Then put them back where they belong. They are still utensils and they still need to be used, especially hairdressing scissors. Luckily I always sterilise them. For putting them back so I know that they're clean. This is a lot of powder, guys. I just got a thing from the community strike from moment. There's some powder in this. I'll put it off to the side for now. We'll try it. We'll leave that in. We'll leave that for a bit. Pour in the melted butter, all the oil, egg, and water. We can do either first. What should we do first? Should we do the egg? Or should we do the egg last?
That said all of them.
It said whichever order you want to do it in, so which way do you want to do it, someone? Alright.
All at once.
I think we might need more oil.
Yeah, that looked very small.
Would you like to get the oil? Or would you like me to? You can do that. We'll put that in there. I'm going to wash up today again. And do an awful job of oil. The oil's over there. I was about to get it. But someone can do it. Oh, we are out of eggs. Crap. short break here as I go get more eggs. We will be back in a moment. And then would you like to keep the recording going? Or would you like me to turn off as you mix?
Turn off.
We shall pause it. I shall be a moment.
Whee!
Sorry guys. Okay guys, I have no money. I am poor. I cannot go buy our eggs. Sanglan's also poor now. I spend all his money. That's what I'm saying. There we go.
I actually do have money.
Well, I'm poor, so screw
now.
it. Well, I'm
Only
poor.
enough for a month's of it.
Well, I'm poor.
I'm poor enough to only have 175.
We're both poor. More so because my caretakers out here, out of character. They are on holiday. The left £10 that's been spent, so yeah. We spent it yesterday, so yeah. Now who leaves an egg can out? Well, that's not my fault. That's whoever left the cat now, actually.
Why would they go on holiday but only leave a tenner?
Because they're going for 3 days. They're going for 3 days.
And they thought £10 would last 3 days.
I don't know, we know I spend that daily, so I don't know.
That should have been 30.
Keep in mind, that's how much I spend every day.
True.
Or more, it depends.
The butter will not melt.
I'm rich. I'm rich when my parents, when my caretakers are here. Can't believe Genoa. So cruel. So cruel. Then you get to want to punish me again. Guys, I'm so hot for punishment. So we're going to see how this goes without eggs. Which is what?
I might edit into it, but I will just in case.
That's fine. Do what you must, Sanglan. As you can see, Sanglan is taking the lead here. This is the Sanglan baking show instead.
So I'm knowing yours.
Yeah. Also, hashtag to the Crown Prince cooking series. I love that. I love them. Go watch them. They're amazing. I can't remember their name, but go watch them. I mean, it looks like butter. Show the camera.
No, because the eggs are pissed. Not the eggs. The fucking butter's pissing me off because it is not.
Oh. Okay, we do have this as well, by the way.
Yeah, that's a tiny bit of water fell into it.
That's fine.
So is water.
So much more.
These pieces of fucking butter are pissing me off.
And then at some point, and we actually have to try this. So the camera. I ain't gonna enjoy this.
Alright, is it?
You alright?
I think it's not butter.
I don't think that's butter.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure that's a. Let me have a look. Yeah, no, it's them.
Oh.
Even
That's
though
what's pissed me off.
even though they weren't in the powder. I don't
They
know.
would have been in the powder just very much hidden.
Alright guys, we should look when we've got to try these. We're only going to try
They're
one
not
because I'm making
eggs.
these for black water.
I can just go in there.
Alright.
Is it a non-stick pan?
Check. Oh.
That's my way of checking.
I think just
The
place.
water's not sticking to it at all.
I think we should probably just put some butter in just in case. I should do something, guys. Wow. This is meant to be entertaining, guys. It's really not. We're not entertaining people.
Ow.
What?
I was trying to drag you, but it came out as ow because my shoulder popped really badly.
That's enough. Because it does seem like a non-stick pan, so this might just be pointless. Knowing our love, this will not take the amount of time it was meant to bake, so yeah. You didn't put up on the oil.
Huh?
So, Lang, are you getting forgetful in your old age?
I don't know.
I'm older than you. How does that feel? In cosplay, or at least.
Yeah, I was just about to say.
In cosplay.
I need a spoon.
You need a spoon. I have a spoon. I can't comment how clean it is though. It's clean. I checked. Yeah. I did something right.
Right, you have a job. Hold it like that.
I'm holding the bone. This is entertaining. This might be our quickest video yet.
True.
Because, yeah. I don't know how, but you know, it is. Look, I picked an easy recipe for us today for once. Yay!
Instead of cookies that end up taking us nearly 3 hours somehow.
Yeah. Which will take us less time.
It should only take us about 45 minutes.
Yep. Maybe we're getting better at this. We're not. We're not. We never will.
So what time are they going to be back?
They're going to be back tomorrow.
So why are we making this today?
I don't know. I want to make it
It's
today.
going to be a day old.
So? How do you keep cakes, by the way? Do you keep them in the fridge or on the side?
Fridge. It does go a bit hard, but yeah.
I thought it was side. Like cookies. So we should put it in the fridge once we've made it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's at least where I keep my cake.
Guys, what's your suggestion? Do you guys keep your cakes in the fridge or the side? Which one? Because when we buy birthday cakes, we normally put them on the side.
Mine got put in the fridge.
Mine got on the side.
Alex's got put in the fridge.
I was put on the side. Then again, we don't like hot cake. I think that's as much
There's a chocolate on it. I want the chocolate in there. Thank you. That's all.
Can you put that on there and put that back there? Putting this in the washer. Not in the washer, I need to say for me to clean it later. Because I clean it.
Oh my days, my face recognition actually works in cosplay.
Oh my god. That's amazing sound like, but we're not meant to have phones.
I'm putting timer.
Alright, there for 22 to 26 minutes. I'm going to put this in the oven now. And I'm not going to use safety mix, I can't be bothered. So, don't do what I do.
I'll put the thing on for 20 minutes first.
22.
20.
22, it says 22 in the box.
I know. Why did it fucking sizzle?
I don't know.
What I'm doing is I'm going to put it on for 20, so in 20 minutes we can check it, and if it needs an extra 2 to 6 minutes, then we can put it on for 2 to 6 minutes.
Alright guys, we're going to go now. We'll see you in 20 to 26 minutes. So, bye. Get in the frame, Sungman. Thank you, Sungman. Okay guys, we're back and the cake has been done. Sungman, do you want to show them it?
I needed to stab it.
We stabbed it a lot for no reason, but we won't talk about that. We are going to cut a slice out because...
I need to try the middle.
You could have stabbed the middle one somewhere.
I know, but the middle has lots
In
of
the box. I want to cut it out of the box. I want to cut it out of the box.
So a square?
Yeah. Well, like somewhere I'm cutting it. Then again, there's a pretty big sword, isn't there? In both ways. Should I get you a better knife?
Should be able to. Well, it don't go. Oh, I don't go in fucking. If we do it that big.
You should have done it free. Yeah, that makes more sense.
I'm trying to make it more equal.
in my hand.
Go in the sit now. There?
Yeah. Got lovely off the side. Let's try a beef, guys. Would you actually get pull it from there? The small one. This is messy. This is messy cake, and I don't like that.
Do you want me to get it out? You look like you're struggling. You're destroying it.
Yeah, I don't have to do this. You do it. Finlang is better at this than me, unfortunately. Just let me know something and Finland carrying. I was meant to do that. I didn't know. Then you pick your own place.
Half of mine came off.
I have no doubt that I'm gonna like this.
It's supposed to be a bit flicky.
By that I mean I know I'm gonna absolutely hate this. But it's for you guys. We're trying this for you.
I like how for us it went fudgy in 27 minutes, and when and didn't go
You wanna try it?
really strong compact.
Let's give it a try.
It's missing the egg. Missing the egg, and the chocolate's melted completely. The chocolate's evaporated. Chocolate has evaporated. Bin won't open.
Oh my god. That was awful, guys.
Missing the egg. And the chocolate has completely evaporated. It's supposed to be chocolatey. Chocolate's not there. Chocolate has evaporated. The outside, here, that's good. The inside, no.
Then
It's missing the
again,
egg.
I never like things we bake.
That's the only thing that I've actually heard.
After something. Singlang finally didn't like something. Well, guys, I think we're gonna end it.
Just put it in there and that.
It's kind of fridge.
I don't want to put it on the bottom where that meat is. Guys.
We gotta go back in the ferry and say bye bye just that way. Sit down.
I did a gear pose for them.
Well, you're not gay enough for that. That's a joke. That's a lie. That's a lie.
I can tell they're not gay.
We can't see as gay as me, so. Anyway, guys, this is it. Bye bye.